Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair. We take care of any foundation issues. I'm here with my friend Peter from Marshall Insurance, and we've been getting calls and seeing issues caused by trees. But let's start talking about the roots of the trees. We see roots that grow and it pushes in on the foundation and causes damage, cracks, and so forth. Is that covered under your homeowner's insurance?
No, that's typically not going to be covered. For things that happen underground over time like that, the foundation, the damage to the foundation is not typically going to be covered. The coverage for foundations is limited because it's exposed to so much more being underground. Things like the roots growing into the foundation or settling or earth movement or things like that, it won't be covered.
Good to know. This is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair. If you have any questions with foundations or insurance issues, feel free to call myself or Peter Marshall for the insurance.